What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube. So today's video is going to be, this is me from The Greatest Showman. It's a really, really good movie. Y'all should watch. And yeah, I really, really liked the song. So yeah, not much else. But I finally have my earrings in. Yay. But that's it. Let's start. Alright. Sorry. Okay. First verses. I'm not a stranger. This is strange. Weird. Also, weird. The W. Weird. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away. So, hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts broken. And then just like it's talking about you. I've learned to be ashamed. So ashamed of all my scars. Scars. The R right there. Did y'all know I have scars? One here and one right here. My camera's too high. Run away. They say no one. So it says no one will. So no one will love you as you are. Second verse. But I won't allow them to break me down to dust. Dog hair. I know that there's a place, so bees, place for us, for we are glorious. So hit glorious. Okay. Third verse. When the sharpest words want to cut me down, same sign, I know, cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood, so flood, gonna drown them out, so ignore them, gonna ignore. I am brave, I am bruised, so bruised. I am who I'm meant to be, or be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. I'm marching, so marching to the beat. I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. Gotta put that sass in there. Make no apologies. And then it's yeah. So another round of bullets hits my skin, like me, hits me. Well, fire away, 'cause today I won't let the shame sink in. So, sink in. We are bursting, explode, bursting through the barricades, reaching for the sun. We are warriors, like fight people. Yeah, that's what we've become. Okay, last one. It repeats a lot. So, and I know that I deserve your love. And then there's nothing I'm not worthy, so worthy of. Okay, that's it. All done. Time for the music.
Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come. And I'm marching on to the beat I drum. I'm not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
I wasn't videoing. Okay, sorry. That's it. Song's over. I thought it was really easy. Well, not really, but simple enough. I also really enjoyed it, and I hope y'all did too. And yeah, so like this video, hit that notification bell, and follow me for more videos like that. Yeah, bye. Also, if you wanna follow my Insta, I post pictures of my makeup looks, so if y'all want to see those. Alright, bye. I know Daddy's home. I know he's home. Come here. I know. You can go out in just a minute, okay? I promise. 1 minute? Now? Okay.